Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious Goan green beef curry. It's made with coriander leaves and you will absolutely love this recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 750 grams of diced beef. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1 stock cube. Then add 1.5 tablespoon Goan vinegar. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Then mix it really nicely. Marinate this for about 1 hour. Then take a mixer jar, add 1 bunch coriander leaves. Also add 3 garlic cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, half teaspoon black peppercorns, add 13 to 14 cloves, half tablespoon cumin seeds and 4 green chilies. Then add this all to the mixer jar. Then add about 4 tablespoon water. Then blend this to make the masala. So the masala is ready now. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 3 medium chopped tomatoes and fry this until it is nice and soft. Then add 1 chopped tomato and fry it until it is soft. Something like this. Then add the marinated beef and add 3 potatoes cut in cube and give this a nice mix. Then add 1/3 cup water and cover it and cook it until the potatoes are nice and soft. So the potatoes are nice and soft now and meat is almost done. Then add the green masala and add 1 cup water. Then give this a mix. And cover it and allow it to boil. Then add some salt to taste and also add some sugar to taste. Then give this a mix and check if it needs any salt or sugar. Then cook it until it is nice and thick. So the recipe is ready to serve now. I hope you like this recipe guys, and if you like this recipe then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed please do subscribe for more amazing recipes in the future. If you like this recipe then please do comment and let me know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.